in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable the narrator feature on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, you want to select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side, locate down the list where it says narrator. To toggle the narrator on would enable it just by selecting inside this oval one time at the top, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.